Oh gosh. I don't like this. Look at this. I can do it. I can do it. I believe in myself. Okay. I'm so excited. What is all of this? This is wild. Remember when I got here and I said I didn't really know what it was? Still don't, but I know I love it. Good morning. My name is Mimi. I live in this van full time. I travel around going on adventures, making little videos. And currently we are in Cabot, Vermont at Goodrich Maple Farms. Oh yeah, we gonna get some sweets, some sweet goodness today. Check out the weather. It's a little sunny over here though. Can't complain. It was very cloudy and snowy for the majority of yesterday, so I'm appreciating the solar power that we're getting. Just want to silence it a little bit so we can talk. I have a very fun day planned. After we leave here, we're going to continue north, almost to Canada, but not quite. And we're going to go to not one, but two very unique museums, very different vibes. And I'm excited because, like I said, I go on adventures and explore and do weird stuff just for you guys. So let's go in here. I want to get some gifts for my loved ones and also for me because I like it. And let's be real, this is where they got the good maple syrup. I got some sugar-free crap I got at Walmart back there, and I shouldn't even have said that while I was here. I hope they don't get offended if they heard me. But let's go.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm
good.
Help you today.
I just come to get some syrup, I guess. It's very muddy out there. I don't want to.
It's fine.
Okay.
My boots dragging more mud than anything.
I bet.
It's spring. It's not spring.
It doesn't feel like it.
It's muddy.
Yeah. Well, you definitely got plenty outside right now. Oh, this looks good. Very strong. Ooh, it started snowing. I don't know if you can tell. Just barely. A lovely girl working in there, Victoria. If you're ever out here, come check her out. She's a hard-working woman, that's for sure. And she told me they have a TikTok with some pretty cool videos of how they make their maple syrup. And I'll see if I can look that up. I might put some on here for you. But girl, did I get a haul. All right, I saw this on the sign. You see the maple blueberry smoothie? I deserve it. All I had was a hard-boiled egg for breakfast. So you know what? And it's healthy, right? There's blueberries in it. It's healthy. And apparently Vermont is a paper straw state. So I'm glad I steal from fast food restaurants when I go there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that tastes fresh. There's fresh blueberries in that for sure. And it's so muddy out here. I've tracked all of it in. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys all the good stuff I got. I'm so excited. I got this. This is for some loved ones. She said the amber maple syrup is pretty much the best you can get. Well, not the best, but it's the middle of the road. That's the most popular one. So that's what I just stuck with. Ooh, I can, like, there's maple aftertaste with this smoothie. It's so good. Oh my God. Of course, I got a sticker for the van. This is for me. I got me this one because glass, let's be real, I'm not gonna have glass in the van if I can help it. But we'll make some pancakes in the next couple of days and try this out because they make all of this here too. And oh, then a small one for another relative. And then another thing I got for myself and some friends. Oh yeah, we're gonna put this on some toast with some butter. These will be nice little treats for me when I'm craving something sweet. Oh, I'm so excited. We had to get it, we had to do it. All right, I'm trapped up in the front until my shoes dry because my shoes are covered in mud. Like, pretty bad, dude. But let's hit the road. I don't have signal, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, we're definitely in bumfuck right now. We got no signal. So thank God for Starlink. She'd be saving the day. I love it. So yeah, just a few more minutes and we will figure out where we're going next. One of the museums. I swear. Oh gosh. I don't like this. Look at this. I can do it. I can do it. I believe in myself. Oh, it sucks. Oh my God, I'm sliding. Oh my God, I'm sliding. This is some bull crap. Every time I wash the van. Also, that's gorgeous. Look at that. I'm sliding so bad. How am I going to get up a hill? Speed, that's how. I had to pull over just to pull myself together. I'm like, why would Google Maps do that? They just sent me 3 miles down a muddy, this kind of road. I was slipping and sliding. And when I pulled out the camera initially, I thought it would be just a quick little, it was 3 miles of just up and down, sliding and sliding. And like I said, initially when I pulled out the camera, I was like, oh, I can't believe I washed my car. I washed the van yesterday. And it's a curse. It's a curse. Every time I wash this van, like, look at this. I noticed that this morning. I haven't had one bird shit on my van in the past 3 months. And then the night of, I'm all shook up. Let's look. Look at this. Look at this bullshit. I'm cursed. Oh my God. Oh. I'm cursed. I'm cursed. Just washed it. Not even 12 hours ago. Well, more than 12 hours ago, but. All right. I remember when I turned onto it, I was like, wait, is this a mud road? I don't know if I want to do, and it was too late. I was already doing it. Okay, let's keep it moving. Van life adventures. Just go, just go, just go. It's okay. You're good. Yeah, I just pulled over for a second. Oh, no, I'm fine. Thank you so much for checking on me. That's sweet. Yeah, you too. Vermont people are so freaking nice. Well, my mood just changed so fast. Oh my gosh. Today's gonna be an emotional day. Ooh, I'm still shaking. Okay, let's go. It started snowing again. Like, it stopped as soon as I turned onto that mud road and then started again basically as soon as I got off of it. What is Vermont? This is such a unique experience. We're in Northern Vermont right now, so basically Canada. Look at this. Beautiful. But I did just remember something Victoria told me at the maple store I went to, and she said that people tend to think this is spring because we are in late March. Late March. It's in the 80s in Charlotte right now. Wow. And she said, no, this isn't spring. They don't have spring here. This is called mud season. And the irony of her telling me that not even 20 minutes before I went through that, I went mudding, basically. I went mudding in my Buffy. God, that was horrifying. All right, I think I might need to focus. Like, wow. This is gorgeous. I said I wanted to do winter van life, and we're doing it. Wow. All right, yeah. Yeah, looks all right. Permanent collection. No smoking, no bare feet. Enter at your own risk. Let's do it. Oh my God. It just keeps getting worse. That way. Okay, I'm so excited. What is all of this? This is wild. Oh, camera. Do you hear that? The whistling? What is that? Well, let's go find out. Whoa. Oh my gosh. What did he do? Oh, it's a recording. I think it might be. Yeah, it's this. What? Okay. Oh, I see. Cool. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, this just feels very Vermont to me. Okay. It's just ordinary things. Things to put in a book you write. Proper spelling of write. I was about to say. Writing station. List of places you want to be. Last places you want to be. I cannot believe it. What? Oh my gosh. Well, there's that. Okay. Don't need to know about it. Not my business. Not my business. Not my chair, not my problem. What a unique little spot. Okay, I think that might be it. Okay, I went and paid, but then I noticed a sign that said there was more down the hill. So let's go see. The milking parlor. Okay. Light switches to your right. Okay. Wow. Oh, I guess this is for making pottery, huh? That's cool. I've been wanting to learn how to do that. I could do it if I wanted to. I used to know how to ride. It's a unicycle, that's what it's called, right? Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, it's out of order. It looks like some Alex Gray stuff. Remember we went to the Chapel of Sacred Mirrors? Just kind of got his vibe to it. What's your problem today? I bet the people that own this are so cool. How unique. this is definitely worth the stop if you're out this way. I don't know what part we're in, but wow. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Okay. That's pretty cool. It's like a bed. Okay, our next destination is only 5 minutes away, so that works out wonderfully. I'm gonna give Starlink a shout out for the win today because there is zero signal out here. I haven't had signal in well over an hour and a half. So, gosh, it's just magical. Can you guys tell I like the snow? What a treat. I definitely thought it was done for, but it's not. Okay, we just got a little ways to go and we'll be there at exactly 12:34. So let's hit the road. Let's go, 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 go. Yeah. The Bread and Puppet Museum, or Theater, the Bread and Puppet Theater. I'm not quite sure what it is. I saw a few pictures and let's go look at it. Cool. Oh. Hey, girl. Can you see it? We'll go up there in a minute. I don't think we're supposed to go in there. I'm not sure. We'll check this stuff out first. This is unique. I'm glad I made the drive. I told you it was different. Whoa. The dirt floor theater. Oh my gosh. I thought I was done. Oh gosh. I thought that was it, and I was like, that's really impressive, but this is wild. Wow. Ceiling. Oh my gosh. What? What? He's looking right at me. This is incredible. Okay, so apparently I missed one of the light switches and didn't turn it on over here. Look at it. Whoa. That is wild. Remember when I got here and I said I didn't really know what it was? Still don't, but I know I love it. Vermont is so cool. Wow. Wow. I don't think I'm supposed to be in here. Yeah. But can we just appreciate the vibe? Wow. Look at the puppets in the windows. You see them? Wow. Okay, I got a few souvenirs for one for me and 3 for Lana, because this is Lana's vibe hard. But let's figure out what our next move is. This was kind of what I had planned for the whole day, and it's just a little past noon. I think it's probably 1 now. So, I don't know what we're doing next, but we'll find out together. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm gonna head west a little bit, a couple towns over, and just get some work done. Maybe get the oil changed too. Maybe wash the van again. I don't even know. I feel like it's a curse if I do it. But yeah, I don't have anything else planned for today. I think today needs to be just a Mimi work day. I've been filming every single day for a while. So I hope you enjoyed it. This was, I feel like it's just a little after 1 and I've already finished. But I think if something else happens, I'll film it. But yeah, let's end the vlog here so I can just focus on driving, because I'm gonna need to pay attention. But we're going to a city, so well, Vermont's version of a city. And yeah, so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, but don't do anything you don't want to do. No pressure, live your life, chase your dreams. I love every single one of you. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye from Vermont.